Hello, you're welcome back to Academic Technology. Do you know you can unlock the full potential of your career with the power of AI backed resume? Let me show you how. Number one application is kickresume.com. This is Kick Resume, a powerful AI application that helps you build your resume. Let us see the features of this application. Resume builder, resume shaker, cover letter builder, AI resume writer, website builder, AI cover letter writer, and pajama jobs. These pajama jobs get you matched with remote jobs. Some example of resume application being written with this Kick Resume are: look at software engineering resume, look at engineering backend developer, intern, business. For example, this Kick Resume AI writing description for marketing manager job, right? Just click on AI writer and it will write the description for you. So let's see an example of resume being created with Kick Resume. See examples, resumes, select industry. Let's go to IT industry, professional. Let's go to programmer. Let's see. Now, these are example of resume being designed by Kick Resume. These are actually the ones that got hired mobile developer resume. Let's view. So this Gianmarco Prete. Now you see how beautiful and how professional this resume is. Let's go back and check for senior solution architect at Amazon. So if you wish to build your resume with Kick Resume, you can simply click on create my resume, register and follow them up. This person was hired by Accenture. Look at how professional. Look at development skills, web service, XML, JavaScript, Java, PLSQL. So you agree with me that this particular AI is powerful to guide you on how to create your resume. These are more examples of resume being created with Kick Resume. Engineering, software engineering team, mobile developer, lead DevOps, experienced software developer, senior software developer, system engineer resume. So I will advise you to register on this Kick Resume and use it to spice up your resume. Resi.ai is actually another powerful AI resume generating application. As you can see, the address is resi.ai. These are samples of resume that it has generated over time. Resi is an awesome AI-based resume builder that includes templates to help you design a resume that is sure to check the boxes when it comes to applicant tracking systems. Example of resume that has been generated with Resi.ai. Let's view sample. You can actually create your resume for free on Resi.ai. Look at this Charles Bloomberg resume. Look at how professional it is. So if you like this resume, you can simply use this same template by clicking use this sample resume. You can easily create free resume by creating an account. There are so many of them. Look at the features of Resi.ai, AI bullet point writer, AI cover letter, AI keyword targeting, real-time content analysis, AI resignation letter writer, AI bullet point editor, AI resume summary generator, and blockchain verified resume. If you actually plan on moving your career forward and you are looking for a better place to generate a good resume, I advise you to check Resi.ai. So the last one I want to talk about is resumemaker.ai. It only takes 5 seconds to screen your resume and write it. It can rewrite your resume. If you want to create new resume, look at it, create my resume. Today alone, it has created 17,770 resume. Just today, look at example of a resume that was created. Now, if you go down, you can choose different templates. If you want different templates, look at it. You can choose different templates. These are examples of templates. If you click on resume example, you will see many other examples. Look at it. This is category account, beauty, education, hospital. So if you go down, you keep seeing examples. If you want to see templates that you can actually choose while creating your resume, these are different templates, just as I've showed you before. So for you to be able to create your resume on this AI, you actually have to sign up, right? Either you register with your Google account, your Facebook account, or you create accounts, or you sign in, whichever one. But I believe that these three powerful AI resume generators can actually help you write a professional resume that will land you that job that you are going for. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.